The Miele Blizzard CX1 Lotus White is a true master of pet hair. A veritable whirlwind in a quiet, compact form. This bagless canister vacuum is meticulously engineered for homes with furry companions. And it tackles the most stubborn messes with an almost ethereal grace. Its powerful Vortex technology separates dust and debris with a silent ferocity. Much like a gentle breeze sifting through a field of dandelions. And it captures even the finest pet dander, ensuring the air you breathe is as pristine as freshly fallen snow. Furthermore, the HEPA Lifetime Filter and the included turbo brush, a dynamic duo for deep cleaning, work in seamless unison to lift embedded hairs from carpets and upholstery, consequently leaving behind a spotless sanctuary for both you and your pets. Therefore, you can finally reclaim your home from the tyranny of shedding, and you will notice a significant improvement in air quality, which is truly a breath of fresh air. Ultimately, the Miele Blizzard CX1 Lotus White is not merely a cleaning tool. It is a declaration of a clean, serene living space. Moving beyond its exceptional pet-centric design, the Miele Blizzard CX1 Lotus White is a symphony of thoughtful features, each one a testament to Miele's commitment to excellence and user comfort. For example, its self-cleaning Gore CleanStream fine dust filter is an ingenious marvel. It automatically cleans itself at the press of a button, consequently eliminating the messy and dusty chore of manual filter maintenance. In addition, the vacuum's portable nature is a blessing, as it glides effortlessly across various floor types, and its smooth rolling wheels feel as if they are floating on air. Subsequently, the integrated accessory holder keeps the crevice nozzle and upholstery tool always within reach, ensuring you are prepared for any cleaning challenge that arises. And this means you will never waste time searching for your attachments. Moreover, its ergonomic handle and long-reaching cord make it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture and upstairs, allowing you to clean every nook and cranny without straining yourself. Overall, this vacuum is designed with the user in mind, and it transforms the mundane task of vacuuming into a pleasant and efficient activity. In conclusion, the Miele Blizzard CX1 Lotus White is more than just a vacuum cleaner. It is a beacon of cleanliness and a guardian of comfort. Its sophisticated design, coupled with its powerful performance, makes it a valuable investment for any pet owner who desires a truly clean home. In fact, this machine is the epitome of form meeting function, as its elegant design belies its immense power, and its quiet operation is a gentle whisper compared to the roar of lesser vacuums. As a result, it not only cleans your floors and furniture but also purifies your environment, consequently creating a healthier and more enjoyable living space for everyone in your household. Therefore, if you are seeking a solution to the perennial problem of pet hair, and if you also crave a vacuum that is both powerful and a joy to use, then look no further. This remarkable device is a testament to Miele's enduring legacy of quality and innovation, and it will undoubtedly exceed your expectations. Pros: cleans wood floors thoroughly, very quiet operation, easy to use, works well on rugs and carpets, easy filter removal and empty, secondary filter is washable, effortless movement, very light for a corded vacuum, strong suction power, picks up debris well on hard floors, large canister capacity, less messy to empty, durable, well-built machine, includes useful accessories. Cons: no suction release slide-on wand, high price of accessories is high features. Bagless canister design, Miele Vortex Technology, cat and dog model, pet hair removal, portable and lightweight, HEPA AirClean Lifetime Filter, integrated dusting brush, Lotus White color. Easy to empty dustbin, comfort clean self-cleaning. The Miele Blizzard CX1 cat and dog bagless Canister vacuum in Lotus White is a portable and lightweight bagless canister vacuum designed specifically for pet hair removal. Utilizing Miele's Vortex Technology, it features a HEPA AirClean Lifetime Filter for clean air, an integrated dusting brush for added convenience, and an easy-to-empty dustbin with comfort clean self-cleaning functionality. The Miele Blizzard CX1 cat and dog bagless canister vacuum is a powerful and quiet machine that excels at cleaning pet hair on both carpets and hard floors. It is highly praised for its strong suction and ability to thoroughly pick up debris. This vacuum is easy to use and move around, thanks to its lightweight design and effortless maneuverability. The large canister is simple to empty, and the washable secondary filter makes maintenance easy and less messy. While the vacuum is durable and includes useful accessories, its main drawbacks are the high price and the lack of a suction release on the wand.